In the first step, place the base on the ground. You can also install adjustable feet to change the height to fit the zone. If possible, please use the gradient to keep the base clinic. Then twist the dowel pin into the base and put the first battery pack on the base. After that, twist the dowel pin into the first battery pack. Put the second battery pack onto the first pack. According to your need, put the remaining battery packs onto the second battery pack. This time we take the 6 layers batteries as an example. Put the high voltage box on the last battery. Fix an L-shaped metal part with the high voltage box using expanding bolts if the whole battery needs to be mounted on the wall. Put the cover onto the battery pack and fix it with a battery pack using screws. With the main part spliced, open the side covers separately. Connect to the adjacent battery packs with the small metal plate. Connect the cables respectively in series. Now, the batteries have already been assembled. Long press the power button for 5 seconds to launch the batteries.